Hello everyone, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. I'm Afini and my teammates Nazmi and Shalini. We are from group 2. In this video, we are going to present our project, which is a toll gate payment app for Android. Enjoy!
Project description. This app is created to help the toll users and also the stakeholders to reduce their burden on the toll payment process. The main aim of this system is to develop a mobile application to help users and stakeholders to reduce the traffic rate, pollution, and manpower at the highways. The app will be user-friendly and help stakeholders by showing the toll statistic. This project will be conducted at all LPT2 tolls.
Problem definition and solution. Number 1. We found that amount of vehicle increased to a point where the congestion rate increased rapidly. So the solution is the system can expedite the time taken by each user to pay the toll fare. Second, usually users take an extremely long time to pay a toll fare at the toll booth. So the solution is the system can reduce the workforce of
Objective of this system. There are three types of objectives in this system. First is to study the existing system and analyze the new system. Many users used to pay the toll by cash or by the touch and go cards and smart tag. The users need to prepare the exact amount of cash for the payment or take great care of their cards so that it won't get lost to avoid extra trouble. Next is to design the new system. The new system helps the government to reduce the manpower at the highway toll. This is by making all the work need to be done by the people can be obtained from the app. Third is to develop the new system. The app can be installed freely in users' smartphone and they just need to register and connect their touch and go card number into their app, which helps users to access their cards anytime and anywhere. Scope of the system. This app is created to ease the problem occur at the toll due to the previous payment method. The people who are involved in this system are the stakeholders of the toll and also the toll users. The main requirement for creating this app is to ease the traffic occur at the toll and also help users to pay the toll in a very friendly and easy way. This app can also help stakeholders to maintain the payment process in a more systematic way by performing multitasking. Source of requirement. There are three types of source of requirement in our system. First is the stakeholders. Stakeholders plays an important role in creating the toll gate payment app for the Android system. The stakeholders that are in charge of this system are the Deputy Director General of the toll's electronic payment manager, and the toll's user. Next is the existing system. The existing system that being used before in this toll is the touch and go system and smart tag system. There were certain errors and malfunction occurs while using the existing system, which caused the users to feel dissatisfied. Third is the documentation. There are two types of documentation used in this system. First is the Article 33 and Article 39 of the Act Government Electronic Payment Institution. And the second documentation is the Highway Authority Malaysia Incorporation Act 1980. Stakeholder list. There are three types of stakeholders in this system. First is the Deputy Director General of LPT2. The Deputy Director General is responsible for the implementation of any new policy decision. He or she has full rights to create a new system with new features. Second is the LPT2 toll users. They are someone who drives any types of vehicle on the highway through the LPT2 toll gate. He or she has to pay the toll gate with cash or using an online payment system. Third is the Electronic Payment Manager of LPT2. The Electronic Payment Manager has to formulate and produce creative e-finance products. He or she works closely with the production management for creating a new system with better features.
Requirement gathering techniques. In this video, we are using two techniques, which is questionnaire and interview. The questionnaire is a very convenient way to collect information from a large number of people and within a period of time. Using questionnaire, we can collect the accurate data, and also we can see the biased opinion or the most best suggestion. The aspects mentioned in the questionnaire are the common payment method used by user, frequency they pay a toll fare per year, the biggest problem of all toll fare payment system, and the last one is suggestion for future development. The second technique is interview. Interview is a formal meeting which is structured conversation when one participant bring up a question and the other one is provide the answer. Using interview, we can elicit the information from expert individual and also can collect in-depth information on stakeholders' opinion, thoughts, experience, and feelings. Requirement type. There are three types of requirement, which is functional requirement, quality requirement, and the last one is constraint. Functional requirement. User need to register their account if they are the first time user. After the registration, the system will show all the interface in the tollgate apps. In the balance money interface, the system requires the user to enter their user ID and TNG serial numbers. In the reload button interface, the user has to enter their TNG serial number, account number, amount, date, and reference. In the account interface, there are security and setting buttons, which user can change their password or others information. Quality requirement. The user can make their first expression before using the apps. There are 6 types of quality requirement, which is performance, reliability, availability, portability, security, modifiability, and maintainability. In constraint, only small budget spent on this app. The system will be launched on the first day of September in 2020. The system only for Android user in Malaysia. Only one email address valid for one user ID, and the password shall be 8-digit numbers, including characters. There are limit amount for one account, which is 100 ringgit per day.
Requirement modeling. So inside the requirement modeling, we have context diagram, data flow diagram level 1, and data flow diagram level 2. So in context diagram, we know that user can log in and register account to tollgate apps. User can check balance and the balance notification sent by an email, or it can go back, we can check back the balance through the apps. And when user want to reload the account, user can enter the account bank and receive the notification just like the balance. through the email and through the apps. We can check whether it reloads or not. And for the account in apps, user can manage the account like changing the password or changing the profile about the user. Okay, and user can pay the tool. And in the data flow diagram level 1, we have 5 process. Number 1 is check balance, 2 make reload, 3 maintain account info, 4 make toll payment, and number 5 generate QR code to pay the toll. And we got 2 data store in DFD level 1. Number 1 is a balance and number 2 is an account. Okay. And for the DFD level 2, we have balance and reload. So in balance, where it shows that more detail about how to check the balance. Like user need to connect to the user interface, and it can go right back at the balance, and it can show the low amount of balance. Okay, to process in a balance. And for the DFD level 2 reload, in the reload we got another 2 process about the reload. Make reload and transfer money. How the user make a reload and then go to the data store account. The data store account go to the bank, and bank go to transfer the money through the data store balance. Okay, prototyping. So this is our prototype about the Tollgate apps. There's a login and register page, which was when you start the apps, you need to click one of the 2 buttons, and when the button goes, and when you register or login, you will go to the main menu that have 5 buttons: QR pay toll, and balance, check balance, reload, account, and sign out. Either when you want to when you click the QR pay toll, it shows the QR code that you can scan at the toll by paying the toll, and that's it. And you will receive an email when you pay the toll, or the history through the email. We can get the notification. Okay, thank you.